Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the resource Wheel of Names, and I'm going to take you through some examples that I created on how it can be applied to different classes and appointments throughout our school. So the first way is just by creating names of students in your class, and you can have the wheel spin. This could be used whether it's selecting a line leader who's going to present first in a presentation, or who might choose an option for an earned break or during a class self break. Another way that I have found you could use this tool is during a literature class or an intervention class. You could create a wheel with pictures of CVC words or any specific vocabulary words that you're targeting. What I have this wheel do is it will spin, select the word, and my directions are to say and draw. So the students or student would say the word and then draw it out loud, then would draw it. And then I would hit close. Let's say I wanted to add a new word to continue to build their CVC words. So I went to Google, I searched, image searched, and then I'm going to use my snipping tool. The snipping tool is going to allow me to snip an image online. I'm going to save this. I created a folder on my desktop called Wheel of Names, and I'm going to save the image. Once the image has been saved to your selected folder, I'm going to click to add image, and I'm going to find my word bed, and I'm going to add it in, and then I'm going to hit save. Now, because I've already created a couple of examples, I'm already logged into my Manville account, but the first time you create a wheel of names, you just want to sign in with Google, and it will automatically keep you logged in. So then I'm going to save it because I've updated it. Another way that I found that you can use this wheel, again with pictures, would be to create 2-minute brain break options. So strategies that could be used that you use in your class. So if it's a time in class or whether it is an OT or any other appointment where a student might need a break, but it's a hard time deciding, you could use this word wheel for the student to have a break selected for them or for the whole class. Another way that I have used this tool is creating a math warm-up, and this one's the missing variable. So along with adding pictures, you can just simply add text. So for this one, I have 3 options, and I'm actually going to create a 4th. So what you do in the little box on the right-hand side is you just type in your equation. Since the division symbol for me is not on my keyboard, I created a Word document where I have the symbol already, and I'm just copying and pasting it in. And now it has added to it. Because this is going to be a warm-up and I want the ones to be taken away, I'm going to actually customize how this wheel works. So you have 3 options. So you can do during the spin, what kind of sound you'd like it to make, how loud you'd like it to be, how many times it spins per second, and the number of names visible on the wheel. I really focus on the after spin. So for this one, I'm not going to have a sound, and I'm not going to have it launch confetti. And my display pop-up is going to be find the missing variable. And then I'm going to keep the remove button because once it's been selected, I'm just going to remove it so I don't repeat the same warm-up again. And then appearance allows you to choose if you'd like a cookie background, a regular spinning background, and then you can apply themes with different colors, how many image sizes you would like, the page background. Click OK, and then I will spin. And then how I thought you could use this in a math class is at the beginning of math, you have this up on the board after it's selected, and the students spend either 2 to 5 minutes finding the variable of x. Once everyone solved it and explained, you would just hit remove and it would take it away from the wheel. Again, this is a really great resource that can be used in different subjects and in different appointments. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and to fill out the Feature Friday Google form. I hope everyone has a great Friday.